Is your debit card giving you the dreaded error occurred message when trying to buy that new game or renew your Xbox Game Pass? Don't smash your controller just yet, because in the next minute and a half, we're going to troubleshoot why your debit card isn't working on Xbox and get you back in the game. First, let's double-check your billing information on your Xbox account. Head to the Microsoft website and sign in. Navigate to Payment Options, and then edit billing info. Make sure your name, address, and zip code exactly match what's on file with your bank. Even a small typo can cause the transaction to fail. Be meticulous here. Next, give your bank a quick call or check your banking app. There could be a few reasons why your card is being declined. They might have flagged the transaction as suspicious, especially if it's a larger amount or an unusual purchase. Also, confirm your card is still valid and hasn't expired, been reported lost or stolen, or if there are any holds or restrictions on the card. If your billing info is correct and your bank says everything is fine with your card, it might be time to consider alternative payment methods. PayPal is a great option, as it adds a layer of security between your bank and Microsoft. You could also use Xbox gift cards, which you can buy online or at most retailers. Simply redeem the code on your Xbox account and you're good to go. So, to recap, double-check your billing information, verify your card's validity with your bank, and explore options like PayPal or Xbox gift cards. With these steps, you should be able to fix those payment issues and get back to gaming in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Xbox tips and tricks.